To use PIN as the screen lock on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, enter your screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern as the current screen lock, then draw the pattern. Select PIN. Enter your new PIN number. As you can see, it's recommended that you create at least 6-digit PIN number for a better security. By default, the option to let you confirm your PIN without tapping OK button is enabled. This time, let's turn this option off so that we have to tap the OK button each time we unlock the phone with the PIN. Tap continue. Re-enter your PIN numbers to confirm it. And then tap OK button. Now, turn off the screen and then turn it on again. Swipe the screen. You can see that now you are asked to enter your PIN number before you can use your phone. Enter your PIN and then tap OK button. If you enter the right PIN, your phone will be unlocked and you can then use it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.